市面上会有观光客来观光国家剪头发吗？刚剪完头发了，在 Twin Barber Shop， 非常的友善，还请我喝热茶，然后15块欧元，还可以啦。喜欢，终于逮破我丑丑的头发了，不然观众觉得有碍观瞻啦。现在我声音还是没有昨天那个 party 讲话太大声了，都失声了。it's already here. Enjoy. Is this one?
Yeah.
So big. Record shop is dying.
Yeah.
It's like normal, not many.
Hier een mooi fotootje van de lift, hè? Sta je daar op die balkonnetjes?
Gelukkig.
Ja. Easily battles.
53.
And is it still every hour? That
No, that's
Which church are we at?
Eusebius Church.
Okay, I still cannot pronounce that. SVD, huh?
Eusebius.
Eusebius Church.
Exactly.
Yes, I can speak Dutch. I can understand.
Nou moet je nog terug.
Maybe this is the test one, the test version.
You first.
Not sure whether I like this.
You're not finished yet.
Give me some time.
Mark is scared. It's the
Flow
so big, it's bigger than my face.
What's the deal?
Burger texture like clean. What's his name?
Fricandel.
Fricandel. 现在马尔进去 我们的 Coop 超市要买一些荷兰的，还有的一些零食跟食物啊。等一下我们一起去试吃的部分嘛。开心开心开心！今天是我最后一天在 Arnhem， 等一下晚上就要搭火车回去阿姆斯特丹机场，前往哥本哈根跟我姐姐见面喽。这几天实在是太开心了，真的是很开心的，跟 Mark 住在一起，我们一直在聊天，聊一些文化，聊旅游，然后聊幽默，开心。真的是跟当地人住才是最适合、最简单了解当地文化的一个方式。Going to the park. What's the park name?
Sonsbeek.
Sonsbeek. Biker on the bike lane. Pedestrian on the pedestrian lane. It happens to be a concert at the park. We can listen to music 24/7.
Yeah.
At your house, at the park, and I make everywhere is music. It's the moon. I'm pointing at the moon, and he's gonna cut my ears. 各位观众朋友，他就是会割大耳朵的人。
Take your ears. Let's be honest. I have tattoos, so I am a bad guy.
He even had me to do 1 more year of high school. That kid. 2 more years? Actually 2 more years? What? 坏学生得死。But he's now working for a very nice company. Cure cancer, not cure. Finding solution for cancer. He's saving the world. So don't ever underestimate people who do bad in school. Save the world. Yeah.
Bad kids will save the world.
See? Just need to find things they are passionate about.
Exactly.
Yeah, I did that in high school as well.
Look where you are now.
See, I really not what is it?
How you feel in the country?
No, I'm not. I created a book. I'm creating world peace through traveling right now. See? They're cute. Can we go take a picture? Okay, with just one. There's stairs at the park, and I need to avoid playing with them or I miss the flight. You can look at my Japanese vlog, you know why. Oh, I didn't talk about that in my Japanese vlog because I don't want to be embarrassing. Hello. Hello. This is the pooper mark.
Thanks, Tony. You're being so supportive.
Yeah. You name the koala the tone. I'll name her.
You
Mark.
name her Mark?
Yeah, why not? I can do this. Okay. It's getting dark. It's 11 or 10 something. The moon. Tomorrow is the block moon. If you take out your backpack, I would say, like arrest him. He's being naked in the public. I'm leaving Arnhem. I'm sorry. I broke your lid. I gave you dead goldfish.
But you fed me so much good food.
Yeah, he's like so much stronger now.
Carrying Tony's back.
Yeah, he's like very heavy. Bye. It's the thief.